Wait, let me quickly play with my dog real quick. Move this tennis ball. Hi, Cookie. What such a good dog are you? You're so cute. Okay, I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna play with you for a little while, and I'll go check what's in the fridge. Okay? Let me put you down there. And you can just go to sleep. Let me check what's in the fridge now. Okay. Wait a minute. There's only cans in the fridge? No. Now I have to buy groceries. I'm so tired right now. Let me just go get my phone. Close this fridge up first. Walking to get my phone. It's in this cabinet right over here. Okay, just open this cabinet. Okay, Cookie, you're gonna have to sit over there. Okay, you can go to sleep up there. Let me quickly check. Okay, let's see what's on today. Let me get groceries today. So, like, maybe an apple and, I'm not really feeling coconut, so let me just do that. Some of that, 2 strawberries, some oranges, some chicken, some marmite cereal, some cheese, and what else? I'm not really feeling peppers today. Oh yeah, definitely some broccoli, and that's all to my order. Now I'm just gonna put my phone back and wait for the order to come. Okay, look like it's here. Okay, let me go get it quickly. Let me quickly do something real quick. Okay. Now I can finally go get my order. And let me grab this real quick. And then let me go place everything in the kitchen. So let's see what they brought me. Let's see if they put my actual order here. Okay, so they got the broccoli, yeah. The cereal. And what's this? Pineapple. Oops. And then, okay, they did pack my lettuce, that's great. An apple. My chicken goes down there. Some more chicken, strawberries. I didn't buy a lot of groceries today because my fridge is pretty tiny. And some cheese and some more strawberries and just some meat. Let me close this fridge up and then throw this box away. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.